I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use collaboration notes on your iPhone. So first, you're going to open up your Notes app, and you're going to create a new note by tapping the icon on the bottom right. So here, you're going to want to name your note. The first line is always the name. We're going to just name it test, and then we're going to put a little checklist for our grocery list, and then just put test as well. So let's say I added a few things already. Now we're going to hit the share icon right in the top middle, and here's where you'll be able to share this with anybody that you'd like. You can share it in a group chat, and whatever person or group chat that you send this to, it will give them the ability to edit this at any time, and whenever you open it again, you will be able to see the edits that people have made. Once you have a person to send it to, it'll look like this, and you'll just press the blue arrow on the right hand side there to send your new collaborative notes, and then you'll be all set. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.